TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 13, Nasdaq's down 4, S&Ps are up 3.5. Gold contracts up by $3.20, trading at $1,101 an ounce. We have silver up 10 cents at $14.02 an ounce. Now, silver had to get over this $14 levels. We'll see if it can get any power as it gets over this level once again. Platinum is down $28 at $851 an ounce. Copper market, this is getting smoked, folks. Copper is down 4 cents today, $1.97 a pound. That has broke the $2 level. That's trouble in paradise for copper. The oil market continues to lower price. Oil is down 80 cents, $32.37 a barrel. Bottom line, oil looks like it's going to basically build some cause to get under this $30 level. Bonds, the 10-year, down 7 ticks. 127.05. The 30-year is down 22 at 155. Now, both the 10 and they spiked higher on Friday. They went higher at about 5:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time today and then gave it up. They gave it up on price. It looks like they're coming off those highs. They get some volume off those highs. That is saying that bonds more than likely have topped, and what you're going to see inside the S&P, what you're going to see in the Dow, what you're going to see in the Nasdaq, is that you're going to get a bounce coming out of this market. King dollar is flat out here this morning at 98.60. The euro is at 108, and the yen is trading at 117.61. Now, if you go over and we take a look at the S&P, what you're going to see is this. The SPY came down hard, fast, furious, all of the above. Last week, you hit a low out there of 190, 158. What I expect you're going to see out here in the next couple days is this. You're going to have the SPY bounce up somewhere about 199. We're at 192.40 right now. I expect you're going to see lighter volume. That is going to be the B to a C of an ABC structure on the way down. That will eventually, whether it's 2 to 3 weeks from now, go after the swing low from August 24th, which is 182.40. We're going to take a look at the NDX 100, the Qs. The Qs, the exact same type of setup. The Qs came down hard, fast, furious, hit a low out here of 103.30. I expect you're going to see the Qs bounce up to somewhere into the 109.38 area. The bond market, we have with bonds is this. It looks that bonds have topped out. If we take a look at this bond market, what you're going to see is you're going to see, number one, as we moved lower in a dramatic way last week, bonds caught a bid, but a very small bid. You had spiked up on Friday, you got to 128.18. The swing point you're dealing with is 127.10 in the 10-year. You're dealing with the downdraft that was created out here on the 29th of October. Intraday, as I said early in the morning, you got higher, it gave it up. And I suspect what you're going to see now is that the bond market is going to try to get into, it's already inside the lower range again. This 10-year wants to run into this 125.14 area. 30-year, same type of setup in the 30-year. Got very close to the highs, gave it up in price, gave it up in volume. Gold contract wants higher price. Inside the gold contract up here that's been building cause, I suspect will build cause for a few more days. That gold contract's trading at $10.99. It looks like it wants to run to the $11.92 area. And silver is the wild card out here, folks. There's a couple silver stocks that look really good. A lot of them couldn't catch a bid. Those two that look good, however, is putting some encouragement inside the physical metal market, meaning the silver market, that higher price is coming at us in this silver market. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can give them a call at 855-750-4051, or you can visit us at everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.